Have you ever had a drink in your cup holder and it's overflowed and gone all over your handbrake cover? I have. So I had to figure out a way to get in there and clean it good. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the handbrake cover and be able to give it a clean. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up so that way other people can see it's a great video. Also, subscribe to my channel. That way you can see all the other great content I produce in the future. And hit that little bell to get where you get notified when the videos get released. Let's get into it. So the only tool you're going to need is a plastic trim remover. You can either use this or a small flat blade screwdriver. It's up to you. I use this because it doesn't damage the plastic, but you just use whatever you have. So the first thing you want to do is get your plastic trim tool, the thinner the better, and get it under this edge just to pop it up. Once that's popped, you can work around just to pop it up around this edge. Now I've got it popped up all the way over here. The next part you want to do after popping that top piece is grab under this lip here and just give it a little pull up, and that should release it. Now you've released the side piece, you just want to pull it up and pop the other clips. Here it's fully loose. Now that you've fully released it, it's time to remove the boot off the actual handbrake arm. So what you want to do is get your fingers behind, slowly pull it forward and slide it off the boot. Should come off fairly easy. Now what you can do is fold it back out and give it a clean down to however you want. You can also clean up underneath. Now we're going to reassemble it. What you want to do is slide over the boot and pull it back down. Once it's back down, you want to line up all your components so they're roughly in place. And slowly push it all back down. Then you can push down this top section. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up so that way other people can see it's a great video. Also, subscribe to my channel so that way you can see the other content that I produce in the future. Also, hit the bell button so that way you'll get notified when I release content. Thanks for watching.